You guys, welcome back. Today we got this Nissan, I think, twin turbo 300Z, I think, maybe. I didn't look at it, but this is one of my favorite cars. Oh, ZX. The ZX GTS, the sport version. Very beautiful car. I do like this one. I do got an orange one right in the back. It's really one of my favorite models. I do like the 300, but still. Back, he also could have gotten this transportation or the 89 Supra. I didn't get it. Crack it open. There's also a little like stuff on the car. I might rub that off later. But yeah, it's pretty heavy. Just crack it open. Honestly, I've been wanting to open this one. I really like how large it is. Very big casting. I do like it. Yeah, it's pretty big. Let us just... Yep, take it out. Oh man, this thing's got like so much random stuff on it. Hold on. Let's look at the Fair Lady itself. There's like a bunch of this weird chalky stuff on the car. I don't know what it is, but see that? It's very odd. I'll just get like a cotton swab and go at it. But anyways, what's going on with this car, man? There's like so much random stuff on it. But anyways, looking at the model, that is a really beautiful, very wedge looking car. Love the gold spokes. Those are really nice. A lot of this white powder. I don't know what it is. It's very odd. Wish it wasn't like this, because now all the tires are all dirtied up. I can't really, yeah. I can't really even clean this. It actually sucks. Oh man. That sucks real bad. Like all the tires have this weird white powder on it and it's just kind of sucks really bad. Still a really cool casting though. I do like it. Very nice. Oh jeez. Look at that. Anyways. Just put it on the display. Let's take a look at the truck. Comes with a little piece of plastic. Don't need that. Very big hauler. A lot of room on the inside. Go up and close. Very large. I feel like this is like a branded model, but it's not. Very nice grille. Got the little metal bumper. The wheels are pretty nice. Nissan on the side. And this whole thing is made of metal except for the top part. Yeah, it is a really nice hauler though. I do like this. Nissan on the front also, and the back too opens up. Just don't mind that. Pick it up later. But still a very nice casting, and it can go inside like that. Oh, it actually doesn't. What the hell? Oh, this thing's like. Oh, I gotta like. Oh, okay. I'm not trying to do that, but anyways, still really cool. Yeah, anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Got nothing else to say other than this casting is really nice. Really like it. Very beautiful. Other than the powder on this car, which kind of sucks, but that's fine. Hey, guys, I'll see you later. Have a nice one. See you guys.